Hey guys, what's up? This is Vinayak, your chess coach at Chess Junction, back with a brand new video on the most popular topic, how to win chess in few moves. This is the most obvious questions in beginner's mind. So today I will show you one amazing trap which will surely help you in pulling off some games in a jiffy. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Today, I'm gonna share with you a little chess opening trick. This amazing trick is called the fishing pole trap. Its name says it all. You can use it when you are playing as black. Mind it, if you would be able to implement this trap and successfully win the game, your opponents will surely consider you as a genius. So be ready for that. Roulettes. Roulettes is a very common chess opening and it starts with e4, e5, knight f3, knight c6, then bishop b5. If you guys want us to make a separate detailed video on Roulettes opening, do tell us on the poll above. But today's topic is the fishing pole trap. So here, white's main idea is to capture the knight and take on the e5 pawn. After this, we continue with knight to f6, attacking the e4 pawn. This line is called the Berlin defense. Now, a very common move you will see from white in this position is to castle. Most of you will be wondering, why to castle? White should save his pawn on e4. But the point is that even if black captures the pawn, white can simply play rook to e1, attacking the knight, and once the knight retreats, white can simply regain the pawn with a much better position. Now, once white castles, you will not capture on e4. Instead, play a mind-boggling move, knight to g4. A typical reaction of white in this position would be to kick off this knight by playing h3. And now, the most aggressive move, h5, ignoring our knight. This is how we are setting up our trap. If white tries to be greedy and captures the knight, then my friends, he is gone. Let me show you how. We recapture. With this, we are not only threatening this knight but also opening the H file for our mighty rook. And all our subscribers already know that rooks are the deadliest in an open file. Now, if white retreats his knight, let's say to e1, we can simply finish him off in just 4 moves. We start by bringing our beloved queen into action with queen to h4, threatening checkmate at h2 and h1 squares. Now white has to free up the f2 square so that this king can run away. But when he plays the f pawn, let's say to f4, you can simply play the cute little move g3, cutting off all his squares to escape. The only way left for white to delay the checkmate is to sacrifice the queen on h5. And after taking the queen, white has no other way than to resign because after he plays any move like rook to f3, it's queen to h1, check and mate. Now let me go back and show you another cool variation from here. Quite often you might see white playing rook to e1 to defend this central pawn. Here also you have an amazing trap. First, you bring out your bishop to c5, double attacking the pawn on f2 with your knight and bishop. Now, a very common reply would be to block the bishop's diagonal with d4. But after the following moves, white will be in serious trouble, my friends. So knight takes pawn, knight takes knight. You cannot take this knight because queen will take your knight and you will be down a piece. So pause the video and find the best move for black. If you comment down the right answer, we will surely give you a shout out in our next video. So the amazing move is queen to h4. As you can see, the queen and knight are both attacking the f2 and h2 squares. Not to forget, this knight is also attacked by both pawn and bishop. Here, Most common reply is knight to f3, saving the knight and at least protecting the h2 square. From here, we continue with queen to f2 check. King h1 is forced, and now we play the stunning move. Queen to g1 check. No, we have not blundered our queen. There is a difference between blunders and sacrifices which you will get to know soon. So here if white takes the queen with either rook or knight, which he is forced to, we have a stunning move. Knight to f2 checkmate, finishing the game off in style. Note, if you are unfamiliar with such type of finishing tactics and more such tricks, do watch our previous videos on the middle game tricks. So this is it guys for the fishing pole trap, a chess trick to seize the game in no time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to like, comment, share and do let us know if you have trapped any of your opponents in this. We promise we will be back soon with another amazing video. Till then, let's drop that beat.